Go away, you fussy fly! Botheration! You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there. That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James? My wheels were feeling worn out with the work. So Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I can be a really useful engine. And when I have, I can come out again. He's just trying to make this a better railway for steam engines. Sir Topham Hatt says the harder we work, the less you'll need diesels to help.
Help you? You will always need help. Because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't hurt a fly.
No, we're not.
Yes, you are.
Aren't.
I've come back to dominate you and to destroy her. When I'm done with my plan, she'll be nothing but useless scrap.
Big bully!
We're really useful engines. You won't dominate us, and you won't destroy her. We won't let you. Neither will Mr. Conductor. I'm off to fetch him now. What lost engine?